Tired of Microsoft Edge hogging your Windows 11 system and want to reclaim your browsing freedom? First, access the Start menu by clicking on the Windows icon located on your taskbar. Now, locate and click on the Settings app. This looks like a gear icon. In the Settings window, navigate to the Apps section on the left-hand side of the screen and click on it. Next, select Apps and Features from the options that appear. This will bring you to a list of all installed applications on your system. Use the search bar at the top of the Apps and Features window and type in Microsoft Edge. This will quickly filter the list and locate the Edge application. Locate Microsoft Edge in the list. Click the three dots, often referred to as the More Options menu, located to the right of the Microsoft Edge entry. You'll likely notice the Uninstall option is grayed out. Don't worry, we'll bypass this. This is because Windows 11 doesn't allow straightforward uninstall through this method by default. Now, we need to use File Explorer to uninstall the update. Open File Explorer from your taskbar or by searching for it in the Start menu, then navigate to your C drive, then Program Files by 86 and then the Microsoft folder. In the Microsoft folder, you will see the Edge folder. Enter it. Inside the Edge folder, select and enter the application folder. There will be a folder with Edge's version number. Enter it, then select and enter the installer folder. To fully uninstall, you need to open Command Prompt. Make sure to run as administrator, then copy and paste the uninstall command. Once you run this, Edge will be uninstalled.